No? Yeah, this. Okay.
Okay. Don't touch the trigger. Yeah, don't touch the trigger.
No.
Hold it so it's tight.
Well, I know, but oh, I'm so scared.
Alright, so push it up. Shut it. Like, there. Like it. No, don't push that unless you're ready to shoot.
Okay.
So get it when you're ready.
I hold it here?
Yeah, just hold it really tight in both hands.
You're gonna have to hold my hands like really tight.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay, so hit the switch. Yeah, when you're ready, hit the switch.
All the way up?
Yeah, and then...
Don't push my busted. Okay, there, hold it like that.
Okay, aim look what you're doing. Aim at the box.
How do I know what to
Don't put it by your face because you don't want to just have it by your face. You have it like lower. Remember, don't push the triggers unless you're ready to shoot. Okay, whenever you're ready.
1, 2, 3. Oh, my ears are ringing. They're ringing so hard. Oh, that was freaking awesome.